Today, we're diving into the DeepCool PX1000G power supply, a true powerhouse designed to meet the demands of high-performance PC enthusiasts. This beast of a PSU boasts an impressive 1000 watts of output, making it an ideal choice for powering even the most power-hungry components in your rig. One of the standout features of the PX1000G is its compliance with the latest ATX 3.0 standard, ensuring compatibility with modern GPUs and other components. With dedicated 12 VHPWR ports and multiple EPS and PCIe connectors, this PSU has everything you need to build a top-tier system. But power output isn't the only thing that matters when it comes to a PSU. DeepCool has gone above and beyond to ensure the safety and reliability of the PX1000G. With safeguards against overpower, overvoltage, short circuits, and more, you can rest easy knowing your components are protected. Quality is also a top priority with this PSU. Featuring Japanese 105 degrees Celsius capacitors and a robust build, the PX1000G is built to last. It can even operate at altitudes up to 5,000 meters and in temperatures as low as -40 degrees Celsius, making it suitable for a wide range of environments. And let's not forget about the eco-friendly design. With its semi-fanless operation, the PX1000G stays quiet under light loads, reducing noise and energy consumption. With a 10-year warranty backing it up, the DeepCool PX1000G is a solid investment for any enthusiast or professional builder looking for a reliable, high-performance power supply. Whether you're building a gaming rig, a workstation, or a server, this PSU has you covered. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.